Your carrots. Here comes some more. Carrots and rice. Carrots and rice. You like your carrots, don't you? Yeah, homemade carrots. Yum. What do you think about it? No, they're not on my hand. There you go. There you go. Can't get enough carrots. We love carrots. Is that pretty good? What do you think? You are going to be a good little eater, aren't you? Yeah? You gonna help Mommy with the spoon? Thank you. Can we do some more rice? It's not on that finger. Here it comes. There we go.